the scarf is 63 inches by 7 inches, almost my hand span here, and it's as long as me. So pretty much that's close to that size. And for the tassels here, they're about 3.5 inches. So cut about 7.5 inches. So when you fold it and you do the loop through it, you have that length. My yarn is between 3 and 4 weight yarn. So follow the whatever your label says on your yarn, but it really, you can use any color, you can use any yarn you have and you want. We'll start with a slip knot here, and we'll chain 30 chains, or the width you want your scarf to be. It really doesn't matter. And starting into the third chain from the hook, we'll do double crochets till the end of the row in each chain. Once you reach the end, we're gonna chain 2, we're gonna turn, and we'll start into the next stitch. We'll be working into the front post of this stitch, and then the next stitch will be working into the back post, and then we'll be working into the front post of the next stitch. We'll be alternating front and back all the way till the end. So the next stitch will be back post, and once we establish that row, now it's front post, we don't even have to think about it anymore. We'll just go doing whatever the stitch is telling us to do. And here it is. Well, this one will be through the back, and we are going all around the post, and this will go through the front. And when we reach the last stitch, we'll be doing a double crochet just on top of it. It's our edge here. So for the next row, we'll chain 2 and turn, or turn and chain 2. And now this stitch was through the front post, but here we'll be also working through the front post, but it's actually the back of it. So it's actually, we're doing the opposite. So we'll be working again through the front post, and then this stitch will be through the back post. Now on the back side, it looks like it's through the front, so we'll work through the back, and we'll alternating that. So this one will be through the front because it was worked through, it looks like it's through the back here. And then this one will be through the back. And they start popping up now, those stitches. And this is through the front. And then we have through the back. It's a super easy pattern. It's quite mindless. You just have to do opposite to every stitch. And both sides are exactly the same. And once we reach the last stitch, it's just gonna be a double crochet because it's just the edge. Don't miss that one though. So here, just do a double crochet on top of this chain, and we do the same thing. We chain 2 and turn, and we keep going with the same thing. We'll do a front post here, and a back post through the next stitch. And there it is. And once you reach and it's time to do the tassels here, you're just gonna grab your yarn. So once you cut the length of your tassel you'd like to have, just fold it in two with the loop, and through every stitch pull that loop through, and now put both ends through that loop, and make sure you do it from the same side so this faces the same way. Like over here, make sure that line here is consistent. And that's all for this scarf. Watch the next gender neutral scarf coming up. Happy crocheting!